Chapter 3 Economics Learning Outcome. After studying this chapter, students are expected to be able to: Number 1. Explain the definition of economics. Number 2. Explain the role of recording. Number 3. Applying the analogy of transmission. Definition of account. Account is medium to classing and record the education and substitution of each element of the financial statements. The simple form of accounts. It is accounts where the left side is debit and the right side is credit. The basis for accounts to debit and credit is the accounting action with addition, expense, and account. The role of recording. To avoid the misunderstanding that often across that debit is important as an additional and credit is intervened as a reduction. We need to explain the meaning of debiting and crediting. Debiting. What is meant by debit or debit is to enter a number of numbers in the debiting set. Debiting does always mean editing. Crediting. What is meant by crediting or crediting is to enter number I the credit set. Crediting does always mean reduction. Adjective, positive, and adjective order. In I or signs, the adjective might be in the positive place in front of the noun. The positive was behind the without interrupted looking verbs or credit adjective place after the is nouns with interrupted looking verbs. If there is more than one adjective in front of the noun, we need to follow the adjective order. A. The adjective or by category. The example of adjective of the order: he and two happy being brown fingers. Happy option big size brown color. Glory of K dreams. Normal. They debit or credit balance, they will be expensed in I balance species account in the general ledger. Debit and accounting enter that results in either in access or trends in liabilities. One company said. Credit. A contractual agreement in which a borrower something of follow now and agrees to repay the latter. I latter that generally with interest. Real account. I general ladder account that does not close at the end of the account year. Nominal, an account in which accounting transactions are for one phase of printing. An account figure the main source the of profile income realities from business operations after operating express as wages, deflation, and cost of goods sold. From recounting the transaction to the proof of transaction, the recounting of transaction of the for the events is credits or for a transaction and age transaction is recounted in as much detail as possible, contain all the necessary information. The proof of the transaction contains at least data but about the amounts for money included in the transaction, the date the transaction occurred, and the purchase involved in it. Example: sales in process for of cash, bank deposit, and so on. Grammar focus adjective. Adjective is a word as to apply a noun or pronoun which can be a person, place, animal, objective, or abstract contents. Adjective first and come from adjective. Adjective may be a simple form consisting of only one word or in the form of the phrase. Names adjective forms which is the result of a combination of adjective as I had and modified and or that manner. Adjective may also be able to join other friends of us or verbs to form new words. Terms come from adjective. Account groups. There are two groups of accounts named real permanent accounts and nominal temporary accounts. Real permanent accounts. The accounts contains in the balance sheet assets, debit and capital. The X account stands the foundation of the financial balance of the balance sheet. Nominal temporary accounts. There, there are debt accounts contained in the profit and loss collection, which are the income and expense account. Account at the end of the accounting papers must be closed so that I balance its zero I that begin of the accounting period. Exercise 2. Based on the guide below, a group adds accounts assessment into the rally account, a group and the nominal account group. Number 1, sales. Number 2, cash. Number 3, rentable. Number 5 expenses express. Number 5 capital. Number 6 trend reversible. Number 7 inter expense. Number 8 merges tool. Number 9 depreciation expense. Number 10 Stanley Broden for administration.